Welcome, Art Agent Specialists, to your first Mission Inspiration for 2019. Your list of ingredients are as follows. 1. Use old map fragments. 2. Add at least one suggested colour. 3. Add stamping of your choice. 4. Add threads or fibres. 5. Spritz or spray colour onto your page. 6. Add a triptych of focal points, that's 3. 7. Add a phrase, a word or a poem. And finally, 8. Add journaling or handwritten text. Your suggested colours for the month are ruby red, emerald green and amber, and your words for inspiration are challenge, precious, story, memento and success. And remember, this message will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.